Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on your Windows 11. Your Wi-Fi icon may not be showing. Here, this will not be showing. Here's the ways you can fix it. First, you have to check if it's the hardware problem to see if your Wi-Fi adapter is working. What you have to do is go on your Windows and then run cmd, run as administrator, and you'll need to type in this ping 127.1.1. And if you see this, this means that your Wi-Fi adapter is working or your hardware is working. Then you can try this solution. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Windows icon and then right click, type on run. Then you have to type in this services.msc. Then you press OK. Once this opens, you need to scroll down. You need to look for WLAN autoconfig. Here it is. Double click it. And then you make sure that here it's on automatic. Click it and click on automatic. And then you click apply. And if you still have problems, you can then still try this. Go on your Windows icon, then right click, go on device manager. Here you need to go to network adapters. And you have to select your Wi-Fi network. Mine is Intel, so this is the one. Then right click and then click on update driver. Then first you can try this option to search automatically for drivers. And if it does not work, then you have to use this second option, browse my computer for drivers. Click on it and then you go where it says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you can try any of these. And then you click next and then OK. And you're done.